Hi, I'm Ellen Coleman with Remax Realty Center in Olney, Maryland, and I just had a listing that received 88 offers, 76 cash offers. I had no idea how the floodgates would open and I would get that many offers, but it was, kind of overwhelming. In fact, it's affordable off the top. It was a mile from a metro station. In a good location, close to DC, easily commutable to DC, either by metro or by driving. And there just hadn't been anything on the market in the neighborhood for quite a while. The property started at $275 and it sold 14 days later for $460. Pretty much every listing is getting multiple offers and being bid up. But this one, for some reason, just got the most attention, actually purchased by a builder who is going to put some integrity back in the property and add an addition to it and a second floor and resell it. Absolute shock. I mean, it was an executor. And again, I had a conversation with him about what I really expected to happen. And I knew we were going to be in a multiple offer situation and likely a cash offer and more than list price, but nowhere near the, success that we enjoyed. He called me, he emailed me the offer, he texted me, he contacted me on Facebook. I mean, he was all over the place. So for a while I was like, is this the same guy? He wanted the house. He's like, I want the house. You have to set expectations for the seller about what's going to happen because you have to sift through this. You have to know what you're looking at and you have to make a best decision for yourself. You have to make sure that you are looking at the intricacies of the contract to make sure that you're protected going forward. For buyers, you got to have a buying strategy. You have to have a team that's pulling in the same direction, to win that bid for you. And that means being vetted by a lender in advance, having all your ducks in a row and moving forward with an agent that's going to be, selling you to the listing agent.